Hello and welcome to KindyTV. Today we're going to be looking at the In the Night Garden book called Funny Noises. So if we press this button here, it has Makka Pakka's trumpet. What's that funny noise? It's the Ninky Nonk. All aboard the Ninky Nonk. What's that funny noise? It's the Pinky Ponk. Who's riding on the Pinky Ponk? Who can you see? It's Makka Pakka. What's that funny noise? Makka Pakka. Time for Makka Pakka to wash the Tombliboos faces. What's that funny noise? That's Upsy Daisy. What lovely singing, Upsy Daisy. What's that funny noise? It's Igglepiggle. Igglepiggle is playing jumping. Everybody loves funny noises. Isn't that a pip? Who can we see? Upsy Daisy, Igglepiggle, the Pinky Ponk, the Ninky Nonk, the Pontypines, Makka Pakka and the Tombliboos. Thanks for watching this video from KindyTV. If you like In the Night Garden just as much as we do, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.